Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, classes were again disrupted at St. James High School in Montego Bay today as the tension between the board chairman and the principal reaches fever pitch.
For a second time in weeks, school ended early, and as Kalisha Williams reports, dozens of teachers are now contemplating their future with the institution.
A strange series of events at the St. James High School Monday morning. First, students and staff were greeted by a padlocked gate when they arrived, forcing administrators to call the fire department.
I was at home when I heard about the school being chained and padlocked. I don't know who did it. I have no idea.
And when the gates were opened, another problem which caused classes to be dismissed early.
So there's no water at school today. Due to some work done by Jamaica Public Service, but the water is now back, so school will resume tomorrow as per usual.
But Monday's disruptions are merely a tip of the iceberg for the school. The ongoing tension between the school principal, Joseph Williams, and the board chairman, Christopher McCurdy, is seemingly unresolved.
This chairman has continued to bring the school name into disrepute over the last more than 2 years. But the successes are there. The last CXC results will show it. We have been successful. So we will still have to do what we have to do, because the students are our priority.
In February, the Education Ministry met with school administrators after classes were suspended following a heated exchange between the principal and the board chairman during a staff meeting. However, academic staff representative Eva Gale said the members of staff are disgruntled because they recently received a letter from the Education Ministry that the chairman will remain on the board.
The key word is deception. The staff members, teachers kept calling, texting, what is this? We have been lied to. It's like a slap in the face. So we're talking about we should be at school for the nation's children, but there are teachers who are teaching the nation's children. Their feelings should matter.
Ms. Gale said all but one of the members present at the meeting in February voted for the chairman to be removed. We were also shown petitions from members of staff for his removal. Now, the letter sent by the ministry on March 19 also stated that the ministry has engaged an experienced mediator to rectify the issues at the school, and the school will be advised accordingly. However,
mediation cannot beat tyranny, and that's what we have to deal with. When a chairman unilaterally makes decision on his own without consulting other board members. And all these things have been established. At the meeting, the chairman was told in no uncertain terms that checks that he has in his possession were to be rewritten and signed immediately. And that's 1 month ago. And those checks still have not come back to the school.
She stressed that the situation is so bad that teachers have threatened to leave the institution if the matter is not addressed. However, in a release today, the Education Ministry said, quote, the ministry through the National Council on Education and the regional office will advance the work to address governance issues at the St. James High School to restore stability and champion the excellence embedded in the staff and students, and further updates will be provided soon. The board chairman declined to comment on the matter. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.
The National